Did your lazy has a planner for no reason ass self forget it was Christmas? Are you gonna have to let down your entire family because you didn't get them a goddamn thing? Well, follow these tutorials coming up, or whatever. Oh, it's that time of year again, where it is the Whoa, wait, hang on 1 second. I gotta fix a few things. We're gonna need a tree. Huh? Festive. Now we can start. It's that time of year again where we're looking to bestow upon our loved ones some things that we have purchased for them from a store. Hopefully something that they would appreciate, like maybe even need. But sometimes that's not always an option. You know, we ain't making that money up here, so sometimes we gotta make some gifts. So I'm gonna give you three, let's say three. I'm gonna say three, but if there's like 5 or 2, just deal with it. I'm gonna give you 3 quick little projects with links to videos where I explain how to make them, except for one, which is this one here. Anyway, so down below you'll find links to everything that I have used for these, but this is a, you know, simple, like, I don't know, maybe $2-3 beanie thing that you can find anywhere, really. And it's really easy to do. I mean, it's super simple to do. You're probably already figured out how it is that you have to do it. The good thing about this is that since the material is porous, can you see through there? You see little holes? You don't actually have to like rip through this or anything because it's knit. You can kind of just find a little hole and do it. What I did was, you can use a grease pencil or a fabric pencil would be great, or anything to mark this. Even a silver Sharpie. All you're gonna need is a little dot to where you want to place these. It doesn't have to be like this. And then one by one, slip these little guys through, and then they just screw together at the bottom. You know, you could do this to embellish a scarf. You can put these on. You could do a number of things with these little things. All you have to do is poke a hole through and screw them on, and they're on there. I would suggest, my suggestion is, these are gonna wear. These were gold at one point, but from the years of wear, it has come off. So with my experience, I think that you should just go for the silver ones, because if you get any ones that are like the black ones or the gold ones, or even some of the colored ones that they have, they will wear over time and they will end up being silver anyway. So you might as well start with the silver. But if you want to go gold, but just know that after a while, it will not be gold anymore. These were all gold. I thought it was cool. Yeah. The other thing, and I'll leave a link down below as well as at the end of the video, is you can make a set of coasters. They're very simple to do. Mind you, I will warn you right now at the beginning that it is a very old video. I'm terribly sorry. It's almost 2 years old at this point, but you will learn how to make one of these. I did do a full-on tutorial, so, well, you know what? Let's put it right here. Right there. You can go there, and you can learn how to make one of these little coasters. The other thing, you know what I'm gonna suggest. You can also make notebooks. Tiny little notebooks for people. You can make them as big as you want. But yeah, this is a good way to find something that, I don't know, maybe the person that you're wanting to gift this will be into. I do have a video showing you how to make these field note style notebooks, and also ways to make a slightly larger version of these. I'll leave those links down below as well as at the end of the video so that you can follow these tutorials and maybe make something for your friends, relatives, loved ones, whatever you want. And you can use a number of different ways. Look at this one. It's just cardboard and tape. That's all. Look at that. It's a cool little notebook. I mean, you know, you could draw something on here or paint something on here. I mean, you could do a number of things. But those were my 3 quick and easy. It'll be, you know, all these projects will take you like an hour or 2. And if you were forgetting about someone for Christmas and you're gonna see them tomorrow and you're like, oh my God, I've got these materials, you can make them something. And that's totally fine. You don't have to go out and buy stuff for people, even though, like, you know, stuff that are available for purchase a lot of times are really cool. Like, you know, gaming consoles, televisions, and things like that. Can't make a TV. Can you make a TV? Can you make a TV? Then why would you try to make your mom a TV when you can make her a set of great notebooks following my tutorial down below, or some coasters? This is my holiday video. I guess look, it's fucking festive. I've tried. Look, I've got a Darth Vader on brand, Darth Vader with a Santa hat. I've got pineapple lights that are, oh God, they really need, like, I think they need new batteries. I've got pineapple little fairy lights here, festive. I've got a little, you know, Charlie Brown style tree ornament with an ornament that makes noise. They cost extra for the ones that come with noise. I could have just gotten a little tree with no sound. Would have been less money. Production value here. Production value. Okay? Oh, and I changed the calendar to December. Look. I'm wearing an ugly t-shirt. Ugly holiday sweat. What do you want from me? I want to know what it is that you want from me. I try to give you all these ideas, and I don't know where I'm going with that. I'm sorry. Anyway, check out all the tutorials down below, and at the end of this video, roll the thing. Happy holidays. Roll the thing.